last group to perform Mi Ultima Dios, the English version of The Last Farewell by Dr. Rizal. I'm Jeffrey Calvin Gomez as Dr. Rizal.
My name is Patricia. I portraying the life of Rizal as a farmer.
My name is Crystal Ruiz, portraying the life of Rizal as scientist.
Catherine Gedulio, portraying the life of Rizal as a doctor.
I'm Alaya Cabango, portraying the life of Rizal as engineer.
I am Hanalia Tama, portraying the life of Rizal as an artist. I am Melanie Amboy, as Isa, portrayed by Rizal as an inspiration to those Filipinos who experience improvement during Spanish era.
I am Maricar A.D. Guzman, portraying the life of Rizal as a youth, that Rizal believes that as a youth is the hope of the nation.
Ako si Sisa, isang ina ng mga halusog para sa mga anak ko at asawa. Pero sa huli, mag-isang natutusa. Tinatay ng sakristan mayor ang anak ko si Basilio Crispin. Pinawala sa mga proseso. Nasaktan, inaalipustan ng aking pinapamamahal na asawa. Ako walang karapatan sa pagre-reklamo. Walang karapatan sa pag-ibig. Dahil babae ako. Babae lang ako.
May pagkalang ba tayo mga Pilipino? Lagi nagdurusa, lagi nag-aalipin sa sarili nating bansa.
Ako, ikaw, tayo mga kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan.
Tunay ang kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan. Dahil ngayon hindi mo ako pinakikinggan, ramdam kong wala ng pag-asa ang sambayan. Ngunit naniniwala ko na ang kabataan ay hindi kailanman magpapaalipin sa inang mga kamay. Kaya hindi magsikat at sisiklat sa silangan at sila ang ibang magiging kaaway. Kung kami at ang mga unang pinagusalan ng gabi, ibahin mo ang kabataan. Dahil pupumitin sa harap ninyo ang kapil na pang-aalipusta at isisigaw sa bayan kung bulag ang paniniwala katulad ng pagpunit ng mga katipunero sa kanilang mga sedula. Mag-aaklas ang kabataan at tahimik at uusigin ng inyong mga kagaya. Tandaan nyo, balang araw, bababa kayong mga nasa pwesto at mananalo ang aking bayan. Hindi kayo ang pag-asa. Sila.
Farewell, my adored nun, Legion of the Sunburst, Herald of the Orient Sea, our evening lost. With gladness, I give you my life, sad and repressed, and were it more brilliant, more fresh than that express. I would still give it to you for your welfare, please. On the fields of battle, in the fury of fight, others give you their lives without pain or hesitancy. The place is not mine.
Cypress, laurel,
Lily white,
scaffold, open field, conflict,
or martyred of blood.
it is the same if asked by home and country.
I die
As I see things on the sky begin to show, and at last announce the day after a gloomy night. If you lead a youth to die your matutinal glow, pour my blood, and at the right moment, spread it so, and heal it in the reflection of your blessed light.
Let the burning sun, the raindrops
vaporize,
And
and leave my glamour behind, return pure to the sky.
Let the friends shed tears over my early demise, and on quiet afternoons when one prays for me on high. Pray too, oh my motherland, that King God may rest high.
Pray thee for all the hapless who have died, for all those who unequal torments have undergone, for our poor mothers who in bitterness have cried, for orphans, widows, and captives who torture for shine.
And pray that you were exposed my intervention. And when my dark nights assemble me, and only the dead veil of their island will.
Don't disturb their bones, don't disturb their misery. If you hear the sound of cedar or psaltery, it is I, their country, who assaults you with song.
And when the great by all is no more remembered, with eager cross to scroll of marked place,
Let it be close to our eyes.
with faith let it be scattered.
Let them burn ashes
Let them turn to dust all over the earth's face.
And it doesn't matter that you should forget me. Your atmosphere, your sky, your wall without rim. Vibrant and clear now to your ears, I shall be.
Aroma, light, use, murmur, song, moaning, constantly repeating the essence of the faith I give.
My idolized country, for whom I most greatly find. Dear Philippines, to my last goodbye, there I leave all. Parents, loves goodbye.
I'll go where there are no snakes, tyrants, or hangmen, where faith does not heal, and where life alone rests.
Farewell, parents, brothers, beloved lady. Friends of my childhood in the home distress. Give thanks that now I rest from the wearisome day. Farewell, my sweet stranger, my friend who brightened my way. Farewell to all I love. To die is to rest.
Consumatum est.